Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning about the topic which is symbol and representation of electric equipment. So what we have, first this line basically means a connecting wire which we basically need for transmission of current. Then this is a wire joint where the current gets distributed. It is also called a junction. This is the two wires are crossing without joining. Okay, so they are not joining but still they are crossing each other. Then we have an often on-off key which we use in our day-to-day life. This is a symbol for open key. Open key basically means off position, and this is a symbol for closed key which means on position. That means the current is flowing in the circuit. Off position, current is cut off. On position, current is flowing in the circuit. Then we have cell. Cell basically have two lines. One is longer one and the other is shorter one. The longer one represents positive terminal and the shorter one represents a negative terminal. Okay, longer one positive terminal, shorter one means negative terminal. And group of cell is known as battery. As you have seen, we use group of cells in most of the appliances. Whether you use remote or you have seen even the car battery, it has 6 cells. So a group of cells is known as battery. So it is always connected in form positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. It won't be in the form positive, negative, negative, positive or negative, positive, positive, negative. It will always be in the form positive, then negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, which are alternate to each other. Again repeat, positive sign indicates longer side indicates positive terminal and shorter side indicates negative terminal. Then we have ammeter. Ammeter is a device which tells us the amount of current in the circuit. Ammeter is a device which tells us the amount of current in the circuit. It is connected in series. What is series connection? That means it is aligned with the wire that I'll show you the series and parallel connection during resistance topic. So it is connected in series in the circuit and it has very less resistance. What is resistance? It is the hindrance caused to the flow of electron. That again I will explain to you in the later topic, but just for your information, ammeter is a device which detects the amount of current in the circuit or magnitude of current in the circuit. It is connected in series in the circuit and it has very less resistance. Then voltmeter. Voltmeter is a device which is used to detect potential difference across a circuit or across a device. So if you want to detect what is the potential difference across a device or across a circuit, we use a device which is known as voltmeter. It is connected in parallel. And it has very high resistance. Why it has very high resistance? Because current should not flow through voltmeter. It just tells us the magnitude of potential difference. Okay. Then we have resistor, which has fixed resistance. That is the symbol of resistor, which has a zigzag line. If you can see, it has fixed resistance. The magnitude of the resistance is fixed in a resistor. It is used to decrease the flow of current in the circuit. And then we have rheostat. Rheostat basically means variable resistance, where we can change the magnitude of the resistance in the circuit. We can change the magnitude of the resistance in a circuit by connecting a rheostat. There is one more device which I have not written right now. It is like this G, which is known as galvanometer. Galvanometer is a device which is used to detect minute current in the circuit. See, sometimes what happens, the current is so less, the current is there, but is so less that it is not detected by ammeter. So ammeter will show only 0 reading, but it might be there is minute current which is not detected by ammeter. So there we use galvanometer. Galvanometer does not tell us the magnitude of current. No, it will just tell us whether there is a current in the circuit or not. There is just a needle in the center in galvanometer which will deflect when the current passes through the circuit or galvanometer. So even if there is a minute current, galvanometer needle will get deflected. So galvanometer tells us whether there is a current is there in the circuit or not. Or I should say, it is used to detect the current in the circuit, but it will not give us the magnitude of the current. It will just detect whether there is a current or not in the circuit. Okay, and ammeter is the device which gives us the magnitude of the current. With this, I would like to end this video, and next video we will be discussing about Ohm's law. Thank you.